So this is a program that will take the output from the user, his name or her name, and after that the program will describe his or her name with the specific type of Mr. or Mrs. before the name, and after Kumar or Kumari. The name is the name 1, and the folder is folder C drive সেটা একটু ইয়ে করে দিন okay. So drive will be code blocks. So that folder, next could not create the project directory. Okay. So the problem is I did not open the code blocks as the admin user. I just opened it as the normal user. So he could not create a folder in C drive. So again I am opening code blocks as admin, so that will make a new drive. C is the name 1. Okay, next, finish. So okay. So this is the program. This is the first page of the program. I will just try to make it build and run, and hello world is running. So now I will start to go for the main part of the program. The first one, I will make some variables, and the program is a string program, so I need to take some strings. So char a having some 100 characters, B 100 characters, and C D whatever it be, int x y z. Okay, that's all. First of all, there will be an output that please give your first name from the user. So printf slash n please give your first name. So here the user will give his or her first name. Okay. Next I will take it by gets. So that is the most easiest way, and gets is
an alternative scanf.
So with the help of scanf we can take, but we need to run a loop, and we need to write the code more 3 or 4 lines if you don't use the gets. So first of all I will make it by the gets, and then I will show the another way. So get say, then print f your given name is. So I'm just checking whether it is not getting or not. Your given name is %s and a. Okay. Slash n. So this is my name. No. It's not working. It is not dollar. It is percentage. So okay. So name is coming appropriately. Now I need to get the gender of the user. So here will be print So what is your gender? Again, it's starting by /n. What is your gender? Okay, so what is your gender? Press M for male and F for female. So this is the place in which I will take the gender of the user. So I will use one character to get it. So scanf percentage C, because it is a character, and I will take it in C. Now I will print here whether the given gender is male or female. So I will scan it. If C equivalent to M, small m, or means this type of letters are used to make the OR. C equivalent to caps M. So in that way I will print U, so printf /m, your gender is male. Okay, else printf /n, your gender is female. So I will run this part of the program to see whether it is working or not. Then I will go for the further procedure. So I am giving my name and I am giving M in small. So it is not showing. Okay, it is not showing. If C equivalent to ampersand, here should be ampersand C, because SCA. So everywhere the scanf is used, scanf only takes the value from the keyboard through the address pointer. So I should use scanf at the beside the name of the variable. So that was my fault. So again I am going to run the program. I am giving my name and I am giving a character. So your gender is male. So that is working. If I will give the F, so gender is showing female. Now the matter is, I am not want to showing this. I want to showing the modified way, that a male gender should get the output at Mr., then space, then name of the first name given by the user, then Kumar. And if the user given as the female, then Miss, and then name of the first name, and then the string will add it Kumari. So here the output will be in this way. Printf /m. So Mr. percentage S. So this percentage is the first name, then space, and then Kumar, Kumar, Kumar. Okay. So the same pattern will be applicable for the part of female also. Printf /n for the going to the next line. Send Miss. Here will be the Miss will come one dot one space next হচ্ছে percentage s for the getting the string given as name a. And then after giving some space, so KUMA. So now I will try both by giving my name and some another name whether this is the column needed here. Then I will see if this will run or not. So again I am going to save the program. I will start to build, giving my name again and image, so I am male, so Mr. Shomit Kumar. Okay, so again I am just running the program by giving some another name. So name is, okay, this is my sister Susmita and he is female, sorry, she is female, and Miss Susmita Kumar. So this programs actually describes some string operations. So this program we can describe, this program PRO, this program takes one name and gender from user and give output as full name. So we can describe this program in this way.